Now we'll look into the other big module, which is selling. In this section, you will be able to manage everything about sales, from point of sale to quotations to discounts. Now, there are two ways to add a sale. The most common way is through the POS section. We'll get onto that a little later, but now let's do the Add Sale option. On this screen, you can fill in all the details of the sale. Here, you select the customer. If you haven't added the customer yet, you can add them here. Enter payment terms if needed. At Status, you select if this sale is final or is it a quotation. Leave the invoice number blank. Click here to add any documents related to the sale if necessary. Here, you enter the product or products. Add the quantity here. Over here you can add a discount amount on each item. In our example here, the customer is buying 2 drills. We put $2,000 as the discount amount, and it raises to $4,000 because it's 2 items. We'll change that to $1,000. You can leave this blank and add the discount below. Here, decide if it's a fixed discount or percentage. In general, put the discount down here if you're giving a discount on the entire purchase. Above you can add discounts item by item. Whatever discount you give, that will reduce the final amount due at the bottom of the page. Here you can enter shipping or delivery details if necessary. For example, if we add a $1,500 delivery charge, that increases the customer's total. You can also select the delivery status here. Attach documents here. That could be a courier receipt, for example. This section is for payment. Select the payment method used by the customer. You can add notes about the transaction here if needed. Then click Save to record the sale, or Save and Print if you want to print the invoice. Now let's look into adding a sale from the point of sale screen. You can access the POS from the menu on the left or this button that is always at the top. Whenever you open the POS, it will ask you how much cash you have in hand. Enter your float amount here, then click the Open Register button. This is the POS screen. Over here, your products will be displayed. You can add them by searching here or clicking on them. Increase the quantity by clicking the item again or by typing it here, or you can use the plus and minus buttons. Below, you can see the totals. You can add delivery price if needed. There is a $7,500 discount here automatically because under business settings, we had set a 15% default discount. If you don't want that, ensure to leave default discount blank. But here on the POS screen, we can edit or remove the discount on this sale. Same thing goes for taxes. Below, you can complete the sale by selecting the method payment the customer is using. Let's click Cash for this example. The printing window will come up for the invoice. Select your printer and click Print if needed. Let's do another example. Add 1 drill. We could select the customer or add a new customer here. Then let's select MultiPay as the payment method. Let's say they paid $10,000 cash. Then click Add Payment Row, and they paid the balance by card. You don't need the card information. Use your card machine to run the payment. Then you can add the transaction number from the card machine here for reference. Then click Finalize Payment and print if needed. We're currently working on improving the invoices. There are some other things to note on this screen. Over here, your products will be displayed, and you can search for products by category or brand if you created categories or brands from before. Up here, you can add an expense. Click this to go full screen. If a customer returns an item, you can create a cell return here. This is your handy calculator. Click this to see a full summary of all transactions made through the point of sale since the last time the register was opened. This includes all sales, discounts, and expenses. It also tells the amounts received via the different payment methods. Click this red X to close the register, and these arrows will take you back to the main screen while still logged into the POS. There are several other options under the Sales tab that you can utilize as needed. Click All Sales to see all the sales done so far. You can click on any of them to see the full details about that transaction: date, time, customer, items purchased, cashier, and payment method. Another important section for some businesses is discounts. It's very easy to add a discount. Click the Add button to the right and fill out this simple form. Give the discount a name. Then select how the discount is to be applied. You can either give the discount on specific products, or you can do the discount by brand or category. Then decide which of your business locations will offer the discount. Here you select the priority. So if you have another discount running on similar items, this will determine which of the two discounts to apply. Here you select the size and type of the discount. Then the start and end date. Then check this box to make it active. Then click Save. You can always go back in and edit or even delete a discount.